Making Daddy proud. This is one of Mullen's new favorite things to play. There it is. Oh, there. We'll get it again. There you go. Oh, you got a good arm. There you go. Whoops. That got kind of stuck. You are your daddy's girl, aren't you? Really? Uh-oh. Oh, gotta take a chewing break? Can you show us your new face? Too busy? Wow. Whoa! Oh. There you go. You gonna do one more? Oh. Whoa. There it goes. Hey, what's that new face? Oh. Let's see it. Yoo-hoo. Nope. We'll try and catch it another time. Oh, some toes.